Hey Google Maps platform developers! Today I'm completing part 2 of how to implement a collaborative real-time mapping with Firebase. You can find part 1 linked below. Ready? Let's get started. Alright, we've got a working map, so where does Firebase come in? In order to make the app collaborative, we need to store map clicks in an external database that all users can access. This is where the Firebase real-time database comes in handy. Firebase is a comprehensive app development platform that helps you build better apps, improve app quality, and grow your business. It gives you functionality like analytics, databases, messaging, and crash reporting, so you can move quickly and focus on your users. Firebase products work great individually, but share data and insights so they work even better together. In this project, we will utilize the real-time database and Firebase Authentication. The Firebase Real-Time Database is a cloud-hosted NoSQL database that lets you store and sync data between your users in real time. And Firebase Auth provides back-end services, easy-to-use SDKs, and ready-made UI libraries to authenticate users to your app. Add these scripts to the bottom of the body tag to import the required Firebase libraries. For every mouse click on the map, the code creates a global data object and stores its information in Firebase. This object records data like its lat long and timestamp of the click, as well as unique ID of the browser that created the click. Rules are set up such that only authenticated users can read from and write to the real-time database. Therefore, you need to add authentication functionality. In this case, we're going to use anonymous auth. Enable anonymous auth in the Firebase console. You can find a link to the Firebase Authentication dashboard below. Once you click the link, select your current project and you'll be directed to the Auth dashboard where you can enable authentication methods. Once anonymous auth is enabled, you can head back to the code. Add a function called init authentication. As the name suggests, this initializes Firebase authentication. If you would like to learn more about Firebase Auth, check out the guides and videos linked below. Add a function called init Firebase. This function has one parameter I'm calling heatmap. The function listens for clicks on the map, which adds a child to your Firebase database. When this occurs, the snapshot.val function gets the data values of the entry and creates a new lat-long object. Add this code to the init function to delete any clicks on the map that are older than 10 seconds in real time. Here is a function I'm calling getTimestamp, which updates the last message path with the current timestamp. After the last message timestamp has been updated, this function is called with the current timestamp to add the click to Firebase. Now add a function called initMap. This function creates the heat map. This code triggers the init Firebase, add to Firebase, and get timestamp functions. Add listener inside the init map after the code that creates the map. This code listens to the data from each click, stores the location of your click in the Firebase database, and displays the points on your heat map. Click locations on the map to create points on your heat map. When you click the heat map, the latitude and longitude of the click appears in your Firebase database. If someone else clicks on your map, you both can see points on the map. The location of the clicks persists even after the user closes the page. Open the page in two separate windows and notice that the marker appears in both windows in real time. Congrats! You now have a fully functional real-time application using Firebase and the Maps JavaScript API. To learn more about using Google Maps in your apps, check out the rest of the Geocast series in the documentation, both linked below.